Hello dear friends, welcome back at your own channel Maths Mela. Here we are to solve some problems, the problems which are related to your academics. Surely the maths will give you the confidence so that you can solve the problems of your own life. Okay, the problems which are created by coronavirus, by the present situation, by the atmospheric changes or by the society. But definitely after solving and after practicing some kind of what problems of maths, surely you will build somewhat confidence so that you can face the challenges in your life. Now this chapter, that is chapter number 9, some applications of trigonometry is depends on that chapter only. Here the main concept is what? The 6 ratios. Then second one is what? The basic values and their values of the angles. Three terms are there that I would like to explain. Number one is line of sight. Then number two is inclination angle. Then depression angle. Or you can say it as angle of inclination and angle of depression. Okay. Now what these things are? These three things plays very important role to understand the sum. Here this chapter is basically about the eyesight and the object. Now suppose if I am here and I am looking at somewhere at balloon, which is what, up in the air or kite or aeroplane or star, anything. If I am standing on the earth and if I am seeing upside, then what? The line which is what made between the object and my eyes. Again I am telling, the line which is made between the object and my eyes. Okay, in between what? My eyes and the object. This line is known as the line of sight. Now suppose I am standing on the ground and I am seeing somewhat tree which is again on the ground, which is what at the same plane where I am standing. Okay, so the line of sight will be what? From my eyes to that tree. Or if I am seeing this pen, the marker, and my eyes is here. Okay, so if I am seeing, then this line of contact of the object and my eyes, here the line of sight. But if the marker is somewhere here, and now if I am seeing it like this, then the angle of sight is what? This one. Okay, the line which is made between my eyes and the object. This is called as what? Line of sight. Then what is inclination angle? Whenever you are seeing any object, okay, which is what? Up of your eyes, above your eyes, then the angle is made in between these two things. Okay, then now suppose something you are seeing it here, your eyes are here. Okay, so this is what? It is line of sight. Okay, line of sight. Right? Now, of course, somewhere you have to paint this, means like this, right? So, this angle is known as angle of inclination. Means if you are standing on the ground or anywhere, but the object is what? Up of your eyes, that time the angle made between the line of sight, okay, and the intersection point of the height and the width of your eyes, okay, then where they are getting, which what connected, then this angle is known as what? Angle of inclination. Now on the other hand, suppose you are standing on a building, right, and from there, okay, and from there you are seeing down, the boys are playing here on somewhere in ground, or from the top of the building you are watching a toy which is on the ground, watching a car which is on the ground, watching a vehicle which is on the ground. Okay, now what will happen? You will observe like this, the height will go somewhere they will meet. Now what here? This is what your line of sight. Okay, line of sight. And where is the object? The object is down now. So this is what the angle which will be there. So this angle, when your object, your eyes are here and the object is what, somewhere down, that time the angle made between the line of sight and the object is known as angle of depression. Fourth important thing is what? After reading a sum, whatever the sum is, after reading it, what you have to do? You have to make a right triangle always. Okay, this is what the first thing you have to do. Then the fifth, which is what most important things are there. The fifth thing is what? The most important thing is the values of angles, values of basic angles. And for your knowledge, these two right angles I am drawing here, 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, root 3, 1, 2, and this is what? 45 and 45, 1, 1, root 2. So with the help of these two diagrams, you can find out the value of any values, which was any equation. Now what is the sum? A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. I said that immediately after reading you should draw one right angle triangle. You can name anyhow A, B, C. Okay. Now a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. Now 20-meter long rope, there are two possibilities, either AB or AC. Okay. Now they have again told that which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole. Now if you will see the vertical pole, obviously anybody can say that what is the vertical pole? That is AB. So AB is what? A pole. If AB is a pole, so what is rope? AC is a rope. Now what is given? A rope is what? 20-meter long. So this is what the value of hypotenuse. Okay. After that what? Vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole, means we have to find out AB. Okay. If the angle made by the rope, with the ground level, where is the ground? This is not ground level, and this is what the angle made by rope at the ground level. Okay. So what is given here? The theta, that is what 30 degree is given. The hypotenuse is given. Observe it. This is what theta, hypotenuse. Now you have to find out the opposite side, or you have to find out the perpendicular. Now just think that what we have to do. First of all, let's formulate the sum. Given that AB or pole is equal to AB is equal to question mark, rope is equal to AC is equal to 20 meter, theta is equal to 30 degree. These are what the thing given. Now after that we know that here it is what 30 degree, that is what theta. What we have to find out? Opposite. Okay. So we have to find out in this way, opposite side upon hypotenuse, right, which is given. Okay. Now try to remember the ratios. What was the ratio for this opposite, or what was the trigonometric ratio for this opposite side upon hypotenuse? Is nothing but sine theta. Now you know that here it is what? What is value of theta? 30 degree, right? What is opposite side? It's AB. What is hypotenuse? It is 20. Now you have to remember, or you have to recall the value of sine 30. If not, don't worry, only these two diagrams, they will help us out. Okay, now sine 30. Sine 30 means what? This one. Opposite side is what? 1. Hypotenuse is what? 2. So what is sine 30? It is 1 by 2. So it will be AB upon 20 is equal to 1 by 2. So by doing the cross multiplication, it will be This 20 will go here, so 20 upon 2, that is what, 10 meter. Okay, so what is the height of the pole? It is 10 meter. Again I am revising or means what repeating that after reading the sum immediately draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is what the answer for first. Now second sum. Okay, before reading only we will draw a right angle triangle. Okay, before reading only I am drawing one right angle triangle. This same thing you also have to do. All the 16 sum, one right angle triangle. Now let's read it. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends. Okay, a tree is there. Okay, now definitely the tree will go like this. Okay, the tree is what, so high. Suppose B is what, your tree. Okay, bend so that the top of the tree touches the ground making an angle 30 degree. Now means what, the tree is what, B to D, and due to storm it has what, broken, and the top part means this D is touching it here at the ground where we have marked as C. Means C and point D both are what, same here, right? After that touches the ground making an angle 30 degree. Again what is the angle? The angle is 30 degree, right? The distance between the foot of the tree and tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Now what is the foot of the tree? This one. And what, where it is what, touching here. Okay, this is what given, 8 meter. Okay, and this is what your point C is equal to what, D. Right? After that what they are telling, find the height of the tree. Now find the height of the tree means not AB, it is BD. But we know that this AD and this AC both are what, equal. So the total height of the tree will be what, BD or BA plus AD or BA plus AC. Is that okay? Now again let us define the sum first. So sum number 2, let total tree is equal to B to D, right? Broken part is equal to AD, which is equal to what, AC, right? What is given? The distance, that is BC is equal to 8 meter, theta is equal to 30 meter. Okay, now the total height of the tree is equal to what, BD, or you can say it here itself, that is BA plus AD, right? Now let's find it out. Again just observe what is given. What is given here? Theta, and one adjacent side is given or base is given. Now here both you have to find out. You have to find out the opposite side also. You have to find out the hypotenuse also. Okay, so one by one we can find out both. Here it is theta and here again it is opposite side and adjacent side. So from the figure you can say, from figure again it is given that opposite side of 30 degree divided by adjacent side of 30 degree. What is the formula? Opposite upon adjacent, it is nothing but tan theta. Okay, what is opposite side again? AB. Adjacent is BC. What is the value of tan 30? Okay, the value of tan 30. Again come to the diagram. Tan 30 means what? Opposite upon adjacent, that is 1 upon root 3. So here we can write it as AB upon 8 1 by under root 3. So how can you get the value? You can get it as, right, 8 upon root 3 meter. You can keep it like this only. Now according to us, this is what root 3 by 8 upon root 3 meter. Okay, now beyond that you can use Pythagoras also, or with the help of this only we can find out. How we can? The second thing is what? Opposite upon hypo is nothing but sin 30, right? Now what is opposite? The opposite is root like this. Hypo is what? AC, and this is equal to what? The value of sin 30 is what? 1 by 2. Right? Now because of this, what will happen? This division, it is 8 upon root 3 into AC by 1. So it will become 1 upon AC is equal to 1 by 2. Okay? So after this, what will happen? This 2 and 8 will multiply to each other, and AC into root 3 will go here. AC into root 3, or AC simply and root 3 is here. So it will be what? 60 root 3 is equal to AC. So what is AC? 60 under root 3. Now for this one, the total height of the tree is what? AB plus AD. AD is equal to what? AC. So what we can say is total height of tree. This is equal to what? AB plus AD or AC. Right? Now what is AB? We have found it out. It is what? 8 upon root 3 and 16 upon root 3, which is equal to what? 24 upon root 3. Now since denominator radical sign is there, so what we will do? We will multiply or we will rationalize it. So it will become 24 root 3 upon 3, because root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. Then it will become 8 under root 3 meter. This is what the total height of the tree. Number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for children to play in the park. Okay. For 5 years below, she prefers the height should be the height of steps should be what? 1.5 meter, and inclination angle should be 30 degree. And for the younger children, height should be 3 meter and inclination angle should be what? 60 meter. In some word, long slide. What should be the length of slide in each case? Now for this, we can draw both the slide in one diagram also, or we can draw different diagrams also. For 2 different triangles also we can do. So we will go with the 2 different triangles. Now this is what for first one, where the height should be 1.5 meter. Okay, and inclination angle is what? 30 degree. Again it is what? ABC. And for second, the height is what? Somewhat bigger, and the angle is what? 60 degree, and the height is what? 3 meters. Suppose it is also ABC, or you can name different name. That is what? PQR. This is for what? For 5 years below. Okay, below 5 years, and this is for elder children. Okay. Now what the height, the total length of the slide we should find out. Means we have to find out AC here, and here we have to find out PR. So how will go? Formulation of the sum is what? Let AC, or first AB is equal to height, that is equal to 1.5 meter, and then AC is equal to slide, that is length, question mark, and theta here it is what? 30 degree. Okay. So again just observe that what is given theta, then what is given opposite side. What to find out? Hypotenuse. It means opposite side hypotenuse. We know that this is nothing but sin theta. Okay. First here we will write down sin theta. And now what is opposite is AB. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Angle is what? Sin 30 degree. AB is given what? 1.5 meter AC, and the value of sin theta, sin 30 is what? 1 upon 2. So by cross multiplication you can just check it out. 1.5 into 2 is equal to AC. So slide height is what? 1.5 into 2 is what? 3 meter. Okay. Now same thing with this will do. What it will be? Again same thing, that is opposite upon hypo into sin theta. What is opposite? PQ. Okay. Then PR is equal to what? sine 60. Now what is sine 60? This is your 60, opposite was root 3 by 2. So PQ is given 3, QR you have to find out, and then under root 3 upon 2. So directly you can just, after doing the cross multiplication, it will be like this. Okay. So this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 into 2. Okay. So root 3. This root 3 will get cancelled, is equal to QR. So what is QR here? 2 into root 3 meter. Now what is next sum? The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point. As I said to you that first of all, one right angle triangle A, B and C. What is that? The angle of elevation. Okay, inclination angle or angle of elevation, both are what same. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. Now of course what is this? This is what? A tower, right? AB is what? A tower. Then what is told that 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So this is what? The length is what? 30 meter, and angle is also what? 30 degree. Then what we have to find out? We have to find the height of the tower. So what we can say? Let tower, that is AB, we have to find out. Okay. Then the distance, okay, between the foot of the tower and the point, okay, that is BC is equal to 30 meter, and then what is given? Theta is equal to 30 degree, right? So again same thing, theta is given, we have to find out opposite. What is given? Adjacent is given, okay, and you know that opposite upon adjacent is nothing but your 10, 30 degree. Okay, so how can we get now what is opposite? Is AB, adjacent is given 30, and what is the value of 10, 30? It is like this. Okay, so again by doing some arrangements here, root 3. Okay, or simply you can just multiply it by root 3 by root 3. So here it will be like this. 3, so 3 ones are 3 tens are. So the AB, which is equal to tower, is equal to 10 into root 3 meter. Okay, so this is what the answer of the next sum. Now what is next? A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above. Again same thing. What I would like to do first, I will be drawing one 90 degree angle, right angle triangle, and this is what my kite. Okay, now a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Now above the ground 60 meter means what? From here to here it will be, right? So this is what? 60 meter is given. Okay, the inclination of the string with the ground is what? 60 degree. So this is what? The 60 degree. Okay, now find the length of the string, assuming no slack, no slack. Slack means what? The curve is not there. The total, the thread is what? Totally tight. Means it is not like this. It is one straight line like this. That's why I have given the hint. You have to find out this height. Suppose it is S, K, and this is what? Y. So what? Let kite is what? Flying in here. That is height. Okay. Height is equal to ky is equal to 6 meter. Okay, then theta is equal to 60 degree. What to find out? We have to find the length of string. Length of string, that is equal to ks. Okay, right? We have to find it out. So again, theta is given, opposite side is given, hypotenuse we have to find out. It means that opposite upon hypo is equal to theta. Means what? Whatever theta is given, we know that opposite upon hypo is sine. Okay, so what is opposite? Opposite is ky, hypo is ks, and then sine theta is equal to what? Sine 60 degree. Now what is ky given? 60. What you have to find out? Ks. Okay, and what is sine 60? You know that root 3 by 2. By using the diagram, easily you can check it out. Okay, so here it will be what? Ks is equal to 2 into 60 will go here, root 3 will come down. Since it is what? Root 3, so we multiply it by root 3 and root 3. So means what? Denominator radical sign we want to remove rationalization. Okay, so it is what? 120 root 3 upon 3. So 3 4s are and then 0s are. So Ks, that is equal to total length of the string. Length of string is equal to 40 under root 3 meter. 0.5 meter tall boy standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. Okay, so let's calculate the sum. Let it be a 30 meter building. Okay, and a boy is standing. What is the height of the boy? It is say 1.5 meter. Okay, this is what the ground and this is what 1.5 meter. So like this it will be. This is what a boy and this is what a building 30 meter high. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of a building increases from 30 degree to 60 degrees. Now top of the building is what? This one. Okay. Now what are the, where are the eyes? Eyes is here. Okay. So this is what the first angle. Okay, the angle of elevation. Okay, the angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from, here it is 30 degree. This is what? 30 degree. Then what happens as he walks towards the building? Now where is the building? This one. So whenever he will walk, he will walk like this. So suppose he started from here and he came till here. Okay. So if again we see the angle of elevation, now here it is what? 60 degree. Now let it be A, this is B, this is C and this is what? D. Now mainly you can observe that there are two right angle triangles. Number one is ACD and number two is what? BCD. Okay, what we have to find out? The distance he walked towards the building means we have to find out A. So what we will be doing first? In the triangle ACD we will find out AC. Then in triangle BCD we will find out BC. And then we will find out AC minus BC. Okay. So let's see how it should be. Okay. So let's formulate the sum first. Let height of boy. Okay. Which is what? Given, that is 1.5 meter. Okay, what is height of building? Height of building, which is again given 30 meter. But in height of total building we are not interested. We are interested in CD. Therefore, CD will be what? 30 minus 1.5, that is equal to 28.5 meter. Okay, now two different things, two different triangles we have to do. All together only I will be doing in triangle ACB and here in triangle BCD. Okay, here also what? Angle C is what? 90 degree and here also what? Angle C is what? 90 degree. Okay, so no doubt. Now in triangle ACB, what is theta? In triangle ACB, what is theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. But in triangle BCD, what is theta? The theta is changed. Now it is 60 degree. Okay. So what we have to do here in this, we have to find out AC. And here what we have to find? We have to find BC. Okay. And the distance he walked. Right, distance he walked is equal to AC minus BC because we are finding what? AB. Right, now it is simple as previously we have done. Now let's go on. Now this is what? Theta opposite side is given, we have to find out the adjacent side. So what? Opposite upon adjacent, that is equal to what? 10, 30. Right? So what is opposite? That is 30. What is adjacent? That is AC. And what is 10, 30 degree? It is 1 upon root 3. So how can we do? It is 30 into root 3 meter is equal to AC. This is what your first value. Now similarly, if you will find out here what it is, again theta opposite and adjacent. So again opposite upon adjacent is equal to 10, 60. What is opposite value? 30. Adjacent value is what? BC, and here it is under root 3 by 2. That is what? 10, 60. Sorry, it is what? Only this one. 10, 60 is what? Root 3. So this implies that BC is equal to 30 upon root 3. Okay, 30 upon root 3 you can say, or if you will multiply it by root 3 and root 3, it will give you 3 tens are and this much. Okay, that is 10 into root 3. Is that okay? Now this can be your equation 1, this can be your equation number 2. Therefore, what is your AB? As we know that if you want to find out AB, AC minus BC. AC minus BC. What is AC? 30 under root 3. BC is what? 10 under root 3. So 30 minus 10 is what? 20 under root 3 meter. So this is what the distance we walk towards the building. So this is AB's value. Now let's go on to next sum. That is equal to what? From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the transmission tower fixed at 20 meter high building. Means first we need to think about 20 meter high building. This is what? A building which is what? 20 meter high. Okay. From a point on the ground, means this is what? A ground level. So suppose I am taking my point here. Okay. Now tower is where? It is situated here, and from here to here. So this is what? A tower. Okay. Now where is the bottom of the tower? From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation means angle of elevation means from the ground you are seeing to the tower. Bottom and the top of the transmission tower. Bottom means what? This much. Sorry, this one. Okay. Now angle of elevation of bottom is equal to what? 45. So this one is what? 45. Okay. And then tower, that is top of the tower is what? 60 degree. Okay. This is what the two right angle triangle. Now again it is what? A, B, C and D. Now ABC is what? One right angle triangle, and ABD is what? Second right angle triangle. Okay. So again formulate, let building that we have considered BC, which is equal to what? 20 meter. Tower, that is equal to CD. We have to find out, question mark. Okay. Then theta 1, that is what? Angle A, or yes, like that. Theta 1 is 45 degree and theta 2 is equal to what? 60 degree. Now basically you have to observe the diagram. There are two right angle triangles. So in one right angle triangle, that is ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. And what is theta in angle ABC? In angle ABC the theta is 45 degree. Okay. What we have to do is we have to find out this much, this one. But directly we cannot find. First we need AB. So AB is equal to what? Adjacent side, right? And opposite side. Or directly, since we are doing opposite upon adjacent, that is equal to 10, and theta is 45. So tan 45 is what? As we know, it is 1. So BC upon AB is equal to 1, it means BC is equal to AB. Now what is BC and AB? It is 20 meter. Since we know that BC is given what? 20 meter. Now same thing we have to repeat in triangle ABD. Angle B is equal to 90 and what is theta? It is 60 degree. Right now AB will be what? Adjacent side and BD will be what? The opposite side. Okay, so therefore again opposite upon adjacent is equal to what? 1045. Is that okay? This is what? 1045? No, because theta is what here? 60 degree. That is what? 1060 degree. Okay. Now what is opposite side here? Here the opposite side is BD. Okay. Or here we are writing that is BD and opposite is what? AB. Root 3. Okay. So it is root 3. Now what is BD? BD means nothing but BC plus CD. What is AB? It is already we have got 20 and then root 3. But we know that this is also 20 plus CD is equal to 20 root 3 because this will multiply. So CD is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20 or CD is equal to 20. You can take common under root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, so this is what the height of the tower, that is CD is equal to 20 into under root 3 minus 1 meter. So next sum. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Okay, from a point on the ground. It is same like that diagram only. So this is what your tower, which is this is what your statue. This is what 1.6 meter and then this is what your pedestal. Okay, this you have to find out. Now, from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of the top of a statue is. Top of the statue is what here? This is what? 60 degree. Okay, and from the same point, angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal. Now this is pedestal, so this is what? Top. Okay, so this is 60 degree and then this is what? 45 degree. What is difference? Here the bottom was given, here the top is given. There we find out the top, here we will be finding out this pedestal. Okay, pedestal that is equal to say H. Okay, so again it is A, B and C. Need to find out two right angle triangles, nothing else. So what is given? Let statue that is equal to suppose ABC D that is equal to CD 1.6 meter. Pedestal is equal to BD, we have to find it out. Theta 1 is equal to 45, theta 2 is equal to 60 degree. Anyhow you can do. Now two different right angle triangle in triangle simply in triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degree and what is theta? It is 45 degree. Okay, so adjacent and opposite side. Okay, so opposite upon adjacent is equal to 1045. What is opposite here? It is BD upon what? AB is equal to what? 1. So this implies that BD is equal to AB. Equation number 1. Don't worry, keep it like this only. We will see that what can be done in the other triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, what is theta? Theta is equal to 60 degree. Again, same thing. What will be doing? Opposite upon adjacent. That is equal to what? 1060 degree. Now what is opposite side? Opposite side here it is what? BC. Adjacent is what? AB. And 1060 is what? Root 3. Now but what is BC? BC is equal to 1.6 plus BD. So 1.6 plus BD is equal to AB into under root 3. But this BD is equal to AB. Okay, so what we'll do, 1.6 plus AB is equal to AB into root 3. Okay, now what is AB? Let's see. It means that if you will just divide, you will take this AB there. So 1.6 is equal to AB under root 3 minus AB, or you can do it 1.6 is equal to AB into under root 3 minus 1. Right? Now, therefore, it will be AB is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Okay, since this is what root 3 radical side, so what we will do, rationalization. So root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. So it will be what? 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 square is what? 3. Then 1 square is what? 1. So it will be 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2, because 3 minus 1 is what? 2. So 1.6 upon 2 will give you 0.8, then root 3 plus 1 meter. So what is height of the pedestal? The height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter.